Welcome to the All Tenses overview. In this series, we will explore all 12 English tenses. Understanding tenses is crucial for mastering English grammar. Whether you are a beginner or intermediate learner, this guide will help you grasp the fundamentals of English verb tenses. Let's begin our journey through the world of English grammar. Let's start with present tenses. The first tense is simple present. We use simple present for actions that happen regularly or are always true. For example, I eat breakfast every morning. This describes a regular habit. The second tense is present continuous. We use present continuous for actions that are happening right now, at this moment. For example, I am eating breakfast now. This describes an action in progress. Now let's learn about two more present tenses. The third tense is present perfect. We use present perfect when an action started in the past and is still connected to the present. For example, I have eaten breakfast today. This means the action happened earlier today and is now complete. The fourth tense is present perfect continuous. We use this for actions that started in the past and are still continuing. For example, I have been eating since morning. This shows the action began in the past and continues now. Now we move to past tenses. The first past tense is simple past. We use simple past for actions that happened in the past and are now finished. For example, I ate breakfast yesterday. This action is completely done. The second past tense is past continuous. We use past continuous for actions that were happening at a specific time in the past. For example, I was eating when you called. This shows that I was in the middle of eating when something else happened. Let's continue with two more past tenses. The third past tense is past perfect. We use past perfect when one action in the past happened before another action in the past. For example, I had eaten before you arrived. This means eating happened first, then you arrived. The fourth past tense is past perfect continuous. We use this for actions that continued for a period of time in the past before another action. For example, I had been eating for 2 hours. This shows a duration of time in the past. Now let's explore future tenses. The first future tense is simple future. We use simple future for actions that will happen in the future. For example, I will eat breakfast tomorrow. This is a planned or predicted action. The second future tense is future continuous. We use future continuous for actions that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. For example, I will be eating at 8 in the morning. This means at that specific time, I will be in the middle of eating. Finally, let's learn the last two future tenses. The third future tense is future perfect. We use future perfect for actions that will be completed by a specific time in the future. For example, I will have eaten by noon. This means eating will be finished by that time. The fourth and final future tense is future perfect continuous. We use this for actions that will continue for a period of time up to a point in the future. For example, I will have been eating for 2 hours. This shows a duration that will be completed by a future time. Let's summarize what we have learned. There are 12 English tenses divided into 3 main groups. The present group includes simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. These tenses describe actions happening now or recently. The past group includes simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. These tenses describe actions that already happened. The future group includes simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. These tenses describe actions that will happen. Now you have a complete understanding of all 12 English tenses. Practice using these tenses in your daily conversations to improve your English skills.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.